Unleash your creativity and transform your visuals with the power of Higgsfield AI's advanced effects. Today, we're diving deep into how you can craft breathtaking visual effects, from intricate particle systems to dynamic simulations, all within Higgsfield AI, to truly elevate your projects. First, let's navigate to the Effects module within Higgsfield AI. You'll typically find this as a dedicated tab or section, often labeled something like Create Effects or Simulation Tools. Our journey begins with particle systems. Think of these as the building blocks for everything from smoke and fire to magical spells and subtle atmospheric details. Locate the Add Particle System option, which might be a button or a menu item. Higgsfield AI offers a fantastic range of preset particle systems to get you started. Browse through the library. You'll find options for fire, smoke, rain, sparkles, and much more. Select a preset that aligns with your desired effect. Now, customization is key. Each particle system comes with a wealth of adjustable parameters. You can fine-tune the emission rate to control how many particles appear, alter their size and lifespan, and crucially, modify their color to perfectly match your scene's aesthetic. Experiment with these sliders and drop-downs to sculpt your unique visual. Beyond particles, Higgsfield AI excels at simulations. This is where you can bring fluid dynamics, explosions, and other complex physical phenomena to life. Look for options related to simulations or physics-based effects. Choose a simulation type, such as fluid dynamics, then explore parameters like viscosity, which dictates how thick or thin your fluid behaves, and turbulence, which adds chaotic motion. Observe how the simulation responds in real time as you make adjustments. For truly advanced results, don't be afraid to layer effects. Combine a dynamic simulation with a custom particle system, perhaps adding glowing energy trails to a simulated explosion or subtle dust particles to a flowing river. With these techniques, you can add a professional polish and captivating elements to any project, transforming ordinary visuals into extraordinary experiences. Dive in, experiment, and unleash the full potential of Higgsfield AI's effect creation capabilities.